Alright, so the story here is they have 15 locks on this house, maybe 20, all on the same key. And the key flew off the motorcycle. His house key flew off while he was running his motorcycle. He's not locked out, but he just wants the key to it. Originally the job was to rekey it. And of course, me being the nice guy, I said, well, I could just cut you a key and save you some money if you guys want. So that's what we're gonna do. Of course, I just turned that in there. Come on now. There we go. That comes out. We're going to take it apart. Alright guys, if you're doing a house rekey and they're all the same key, but really they just lost the key, pick it. Make sure you don't lose the pins. Put a key in. You can tell what that key is. It looks like it is purple, so that's throwing me off because purple is usually 3. But if that is, then it's 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. We'll cut that. Okay, we're only one number off, which is that. That might have been a 2. Okay, so one is a 2 and one is a 6. I knew that purple one was wrong, even though it's purple. So we're gonna go 4, 2, and then instead of the 5, it'll be a 6. Cut another key. That's it. Let's go test this key out on both the locks. We should be good to go. Okay, it works here. Works here.